Okay, so our next topic will be shapes. So this topic is creating modern resume using vector or shapes. Okay, so I'll give you an example. So let's say this resume. So we're going to use the tracing, or we're going to use tracing trace this one. So first, I'm going to create my file, which is new. Then I have my US paper here, and then height is 14 for long bond paper, 300, and the color mode is RGB kasi it's digital viewing. And then click OK. Alright. So next one is we're going to copy this one. So tracing, yeah. So like I said, so we're going to trace this one. Control T, resize. So I hope you already familiarize your shortcut key in Photoshop. Kasi in Photoshop 102 and WebDev, I will not demonstrate any of the tools, okay? Especially like this one. Kasi creating website, you are required to do like this, tracing. Okay. Na-stretch. Jai. Okay, so this one, I will trace this one. I think it's still a stretch. Wait lang. Kasi it's short band paper to I use long band paper. And I think this one is okay already. So since my background, I will unlock it, double click, and then add color, solid color. Then I will copy that one. So I can extend my color here. It's like kind of, content aware effect. So I will do this. So I will create my own layer here, layer 2. And then checking this one, this will be my template, diba? So first, this one. So more on coloring. So para may guide ka lang, move tool and then ruler. Para lang may guide ka. Para mag-snap siya. And then ruler again. And then this one again. And then this one. Okay. The use of this one is para if in case na mag-resize ako, like this one, adding this one. It's not complicated, diba? So click the layer 2 and make sure that you always do the grouping or naming kasi it will give you an additional points din. So resume, and then later on we will, or we can add this in a group. Yan. Source. Okay, para malinis. After that, deselect and then click the resume again. After that, we will color this. So we can hide this one. Oops. Dapat di ko sinama to. Source natin. Yeah. Okay, so this is our background and this will be our raw file. And then, yeah, resume. And then, nasan na yung so, shortcut key of that one is letter M. It will snap. And then, syempre, paint bucket tool tayo. So, yung paint bucket tool. And then, white. That will be my base color. It's color white. And then, deselect. Yan. Alright. So, for me to trace that one, I can decrease the opacity. Yan. So, I can easily do this. And then, don't forget to create your layer ulit. Okay, para if in case in the future you want to re-edit that one, it's so easy na din. Now, we're going to do the base color, which is the white we already have, and then we're going to copy this one, the gray one. Okay. Always start with the base color. Yeah. Ruler man. Okay. And then snap. Layer. Okay. And then after that, I will copy the color. That one. And then this one, click. And then that one. And then go back to your resume. And then after that, paint bucket. And then color this one. That one. So if I hide this one, and then my resume, I will increase the 100 opacity. I have this base already. Which is, if I hide that one, then if I show that one, ganyan na siya, diba? Yan. We have the gray one, and the gray one, and then we have the white one. Okay? So, hide ko lang ulit. Sorry. Then after that, yan, I'll show that one, and then decrease the opacity para lang matrace ko yung yellow doon. Alright, next layer. Side. And then, the yellow. This one. Profile. Profile. And all I have to do is ruler manual. Yeah, for this one. And then I will add this one again. Ruler until here, syempre. This one. Okay. Yeah, so dyan. And then, syempre, hide ulit. And then I'll get the color of this one also, the yellow. Click that one. And then show again. And then paint bucket, color. But if you have other method for you to make this easy, then it's okay. You can apply. Okay. And then I will restore the 100 opacity. And then I have this already. Diba? It's easy. It's tracing kasi. Okay, so I will do this. Increase the opacity. Ayan, so I have the opacity here na. Now, next ulit. circle pick, this one. Okay, so for you to do that, you need ellipse tool, this one. Ganyan. You can change the color also, but we have already the default color, or you can change that based on the gray color, and then control T, you can resize that one using control T. So for you to easy to snap this one or trace this one, you can use the color again. Yeah, oopsie. So shape, I have the previous color, and then duplicate, control J, that one, and then control T. Yeah, so for the color, syempre change natin yan. It's orange, something like that. And then decrease the opacity para matrace lang natin. Yan, so circle pick, control T. Let's see if it's match. And it match naman. So circle pick, yan. Okay, check natin. 100%. So we have this already. Okay, and then for removing this one also, wait lang. So i-group natin tong mga to. Resume. Para it's easy for us to hide. Ganyan. Oh, it's not accurate my circle. Okay. But that's okay. Alright, so that's the basic example how you're gonna trace this. For the text naman, it's up to you na. Same with this one also. Okay, illustrator yan. For the icon naman, you can search the icon PNG. Like for example, address icon.png or vector icon PNG for this one. Okay, so that's it for shape. Yan. So tracing tayo ng shape. So removing the guides, just click the view and then clear guides. Okay, yeah.